Hey guys, thank you to Nadula Hair for sending us this beautiful wig. No gel, no glue. This is a body wave here, 24 inches. Let's go inside. This is how the wig looks. It's real bouncy. I'm super excited. This is the first time we are doing a U part, and that is what they sent, and I'm excited to do this. We're definitely gonna add some curls. Oh my god, the curl is beautiful. We're just gonna add some small curls to it. I don't even think this needs a curl. This is how it looks. We still have the clips to the side, one to the back, and then the clips for the top area. I am going to add a little bit of curl to this, not a lot. I'm thinking, I feel like I want this to look so natural. So we might do the install and then see if we need a curl. Let's get into this wig, guys. So we are gonna install this wig. I'm gonna tame my edges first thing because my hair needs to be braided, but we're gonna make it work, okay? And I love the curls. I normally curl my wigs before I install them, but for some reason, oh, I'm digging this curl. So we want that sleek look on the edges, so I'm just gonna bring in. So this area is done. I'm gonna leave this part. Let's try to fit the wig on. I'm excited. I don't know why, but I am. Oh, so my hair is like, how do I put it? Not the most simplest hairstyle there is. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. We're gonna tighten the band. Trying to find it. Hate to do this part because sometimes I'm just over it. I like things like that's already done, period. Like I don't like nothing that gives too much trouble. And the sides, so now these are necessary because, ooh, child, girl, these combs come in handy for the side. Alright, feel so much better. Look at these curls. I am not doing nothing to this wig, alright? This is super easy. Alright, let's get into this part, which we're gonna use the hot comb. And my hair is not, we're using this on our natural hair, but it's gonna look so good, like, right? So, because I want this to look so natural, I'm not gonna cut it, nothing, because it's a leave out, so I feel like I don't need no layers. What do you guys think? All right, let's get into this part. This is getting hot, so in the meantime, let me sleep down this area. Alright guys, we are about to add some curls to this unit. I went ahead and I cut just a little bit, not a lot, of layers in the front. So same pattern that the wig came in. I'm just using a wand to do this. This is the quickest, easiest wig I've ever done. Like, this is like, if you're in a rush, you have a U-part wig, I suggest you using it instead of trying to do a full install. Alright y'all, this was one of the simplest curl I've ever done. Like, it took the curl so easy, and you guys know I don't like to curl or style my wig on my head, okay? But guess what, we're gonna do the makeup and we're gonna come back, bouncy curls, final slay. Give us a minute and I'll be back. Makeup is done. It's time to see how this wig looks. We're gonna get a comb. We're gonna brush these curls out. Oh. Alright guys, this is the U-part wig. It is beautiful, bouncy, it's so cute. You don't have to worry about anything. All you gotta do is put this wig on, take it off, put it back down, slide it on in the morning, and with my hair looking like this, I will not do anything to it. I'm just gonna roll curl my real hair if I'm taking this wig off tonight, so tomorrow I can slide it back on. Absolutely love it. This is the new thing. You guys can put it any way you want to. That's the edges. There we go. Beautiful. Only thing, my ear color is a little bit different, but it fits right into it, especially that it is curly. So I want to thank Nadula Hair for sending me this beautiful U-part wig. Absolutely love it. Easy to install, real simple, real cute. Thank you guys. Make sure you guys check the description down below. Everything, details about this wig will be there, and also you guys can visit their ear store and find any other wig you guys are interested in. Let's get into this slow-mo, and thank you guys for watching.